Hello friends, welcome to our channel SAP SD and ABAP League support. Okay, so it's continuation to our last video. So now the request is in validation status. So what the project manager will do here, the project manager will open this task. So basically, what will happen? The project manager will get an email notification to his inbox. Okay, as per setup done. So whenever the request has been created, whenever any action required from his end, the frequently the notification will be sent to him, so he needs to take action on that. So for example, I am the requester here, I am the manager here. So now I received the email. Now I will be validating all the data here. So I am checking all the fields here, everything is maintained correctly. Okay, so if everything is fine, and if you observe the approval procedure, this field is grayed out in case of the requester. For the requester, this field is grayed out. For the manager only, this is enabled, right? So he can change it if he wants, if something's incorrect here. Okay, see here the text section. We see that initially the status of the ticket was created, at what time it was created, and later it is changed to validation, at what time it has been changed to validation and all. Fine. So once all the fields has been validated means, then this can be pushed to next level. How to do that? The project manager will go to the actions. Okay, let me go to edit first. I will go to the actions, and so there are multiple options here. Let's focus on the important ones here. The first one is release for approval. So if the validation is fine, no issues observed means the change manager or project manager can release it for approval. If something is incorrect here means, then they can directly reject this one request for change by the manager as well. Let me go for release for approval now. Okay, it is saying that action release for approval will be performed when saving. So I will save this now. Currently it's validation. Now if I save it, it will become to be approved. The system was saying that there were some issues with the scope. The data in the scope assignment block is incorrect or might be incomplete. That's why the status still set to validation only. So what we need to do, we need to go to the scope section. So here we should insert. Yeah, so I will discuss about this changes: urgent change, normal change, standard change. Okay, so we'll discuss about this later. As of now, I inserted one transaction type, that's a normal change. I am saving this now. Okay, let me go to actions, release for approval, and save it. Okay, you see, after saving this, it went to the status of to be approved, right? That means now this request should be approved by whom? The requester. And you see that one here. I will show you that 1 second. Fine, there is an issue with this um, browser. I will show you in the next video. Bye for now.